Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Scott Stanford, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make between $50 up to $80 just for 1 hour of your time right from the phones that you have in your own pocket. Now, before we get started, please remember to hit that like and subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming out with future videos on how to earn money online, working from home, and how to become an entrepreneur. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety because at the end, I'm going to throw in a special free bonus for you, and I really hate for you to miss out on it. And also, if you want to see what I'm doing and you want to learn how to make a full-time passive income online from home, then please click the link in the description below for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. So, all right, let's get to it. The app we're going to be talking about today is called ProductTube. You can see it right here on my screen, okay? You can see also at the top that it's available on the App Store and Google Play, okay? And basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating videos and uploading them to ProductTube, and it's basically just videos about products and your everyday shopping habits. Now, what ProductTube does with these videos is that they just use them for marketing research purposes only. Your videos are never shared or are never used in direct advertising. So let's take a look down here on how it works. You can see right here how it works. First, you just need to sign up. So you can go to producttube.com or you can search ProductTube on the App Store or Google Play. Okay, you're going to sign up. You're going to start receiving invites for video projects, and then you're going to follow the instructions to record your product experiences. And then next, you're going to upload your videos to ProductTube directly from your phone, okay? And then they're going to pay you the rewards. Now, basically, your rewards are going to be paid out within 48 hours of you completing the task. And what they're going to do is your rewards, when you log into ProductTube, your rewards are going to be redeemed in the form of Amazon gift cards. Now, let's show you a little bit about what the videos are like. There are two types of videos, both of which that can be recorded just using your phone camera. Now, you don't need any additional equipment, which is great. And so the first type of videos are the in-store videos. Now, for these, particularly when I watch some videos on people doing the in-store videos, you don't even have to purchase a product, but you're going to receive a notification about a task, about a product. And if you're in the store, you just got to follow the instructions when you go to the store and shoot your video and basically record and narrate your decision-making process about this particular product. The second type of videos are at-home videos, and what you're going to do is just make a short video using the particular product and telling them about your experience. Again, you can see right here, they tell you that you receive your rewards within 48 hours, which is actually really fast. And basically, a lot of people are really just having a lot of fun. I mean, this is something new. It's exciting. People love doing videos of themselves, okay, and sharing them with other people. Now they get to do something that's actually useful and can help companies determine which products that they're going to make. So people are really having a good time and a lot of fun, and they're really wishing they can be a part of more video surveys just like this one. Now you can see below which smartphones are compatible. Basically, any internet-connected smartphone that has a camera will work with ProductTube. And if we go again, I'll show you again how you receive your rewards. You just go to My Rewards under producttube.com and you redeem your rewards towards Amazon e-gift certificates. Okay, so once you're ready to start earning some rewards, go ahead and sign up. Basically, I also looked at all the reviews regarding ProductTube, and as I told you, people are having a blast with it. People love it. Between Google Play and the App Store, they got a rating of at least 4.5 stars out of 5 between both stores there, which is pretty incredible number. Now, so that's about pretty much all I got for ProductTube, but let me just show you. Let me just actually state for you that now doing this, sure, you could make very easy money. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fast money, okay? But obviously something like ProductTube isn't going to make you rich, okay? So I wanted to show you the free bonus that I had for you today, and we'll pull that up on the screen, okay? What I got for you is a free 15-day online business builder challenge with David Sharp. Now, if you don't know who David Sharp is, now he's made tons of money in affiliate marketing, and he's up to about $250 million in sales. So this free 15-day online business builder challenge is going to teach you how to start your own affiliate marketing business and get your first sale within 15 days. Now, in this challenge, you are going to learn the #1 business model to launch online. Requires no advanced technical skills. Secondly, you're going to learn the simple 2-step funnel that all top affiliate marketers use. And third, you're going to learn the 6-step system to choosing a niche and launching your online business. All right, so as you can see here, you can start now for free, 100% free, no credit card required. Now, essentially, this is going to be a 15-day training process, okay? You're going to log in and go, and you're going to carry out the tasks each day, and you're going to learn as you go, all right? And so that's all I got for you guys. Remember to recap, we were talking about ProductTube, the video reviewing app, okay, where you can earn between $50 up to $80 for 1 hour just of your time posting short videos from your phone, okay? So just remember to hit that like and subscribe for future videos, and I will see you on the next one. All right, talk to you later. Peace.